said, I get to use power tools, so it's a good time.
We're here today on the east side helping a neighbor in need. We're here partnered with Servants at Work, which is SAWS, a wonderful organization that comes out across Indianapolis and builds ramps for folks who have had a recent stroke or recent accident, and those folks are no longer able to get safely in and out of their homes.
Well, I cook, so it's kind of like a peeler.
It is, yeah.
Love the work that SAWS does. Helps families that are in need, all volunteer work. All of the materials are donated, so it's no charge to the homeowner. It's a wonderful ministry. So we're just thankful that this is the way we can serve the Lord and make a difference in people's lives.
We got room for this in there and the deck board, so the deck board is flush with this. Okay?
We're gonna try
I get it.
Right, walk the plank.
Walk the plank.
That was smooth, Mom.
I wanted to give you a bouquet of your flowers.
We have a card that we want to give to you that everybody has signed. And it says, "Our prayers are with you, that the love and joy of knowing the Lord will fill all who enter here, that peace and safety will prevail, and that we all will love and serve with courage, generosity, and gratitude." And our wishes to you. God bless you. Thank you.
For all of you volunteers, thank you so much for just giving of your time, your talents, all that stuff that the Lord has given you.